For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the.
Alright guys, what is up? It's a little bit of a crazy day today. By myself today just because it's sort of a weird day. I don't normally do things like this Sunday, and we got an invite to go, and I just crossed the Ohio River. So if you could imagine what kind of place I'm going to with the word Ohio in it, and something that has to do with YouTube, you can imagine. So we'll as we get closer, when we get there, we got to get Whitey. We got Whitey in the back, and we're gonna go do some streetcar things. So let's get to it. So we're somewhere in Ohio, but we're doing streetcar things, so it's a little different here. So we're gonna do a little bit of a drive up here, and you may recognize some places, but it is what it is. We're gonna get the show on the road, do some streetcar stuff. So see you when we get there. So I'm gonna have the tire crack camera on the starting line. You get one burnout. If you get up and there's no smoke, you do another one. Get up again, you're fucked. Just don't try again. Learn how to do a burnout. You get a line lock. 8th mile, cross you lose. I'm gonna have the final call on that. He's gonna be flagging. He's gonna have the final call on jumps. I'll have the camera on the starting line, like I said. I'll have Rob will be at the finish line with a camera as well. Pretty basic rules. Everybody's probably street raced before. So 13 cars. 13 cars. It'd be a $100 buy-in. I'll go ahead and start taking everybody's money. You do not have to make your bypass. This is on the street. But I mean, I probably would. All right, where's my ones? Behind you. All right. No way. I end up parking beside of you coming in here.
Okay, you got the buy. Force.
That's me and him. That's hilarious. Come in and park right beside of you, dude. That's weird.
What's your name? Nick. And
yeah, man. Appreciate it.
You got the buy, sir. You don't have to make it if you don't want to. But we'll make it.
Nice. channel's video for all of the coverage of this. Right here, we're gonna go put Whitey down. We are 5th pair, technically. I have right lane against that car right there. It's, I think a turboed C5, so it's gonna be interesting. See what we can get done. Might as well drive up here and hopefully we get past first round. But from what I understand, one of the baddest here. That's how it works. That's how I do it. So, see what we can get done. Again, 4 right. All right, guys, so second round, we ended up with a buy run. Somehow that number 4 chip was a buy. So we are actually gonna make a buy beside of a MR2, just he wants to make it a little test hit, and I'm gonna turn it up or reduce the ramp a little bit and see if we can get just a hair bit faster. So we'll see. Wish me luck. Guys, we've got a turbo Trans Am here, stock motor, turbo, of course, like I said that. We're gonna go make ourselves a little test hit. So we got Whitey with the look here, dude, almost the exact same car seat too. It's super close. Car seat gang, I love it. That doesn't get any more street car than a car seat in it, dude. I love it. Nice. Sad face. We lost to a super cool dude, super awesome car, and lost by maybe 2 cars, something like that. It was a excellent race. So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna watch this final, and then we're probably gonna head towards the house because I have to go to work. So let's check this finals out. Congratulations to the gentleman who beat me. Poor Whitey just needs some more power. Mo power, baby. So it actually went a little slower, but with more mile an hour. So, oh well, it is what it is. Oh well. Let's watch this race. All right, guys. Look at the Trans Am that beat me here. Left. He did it with the car seat in it. Love it. All right, guys, so we came out to Billy Street Racing Channel's little shootout. Ended up losing to Turbo TA. I mean, it was bad. So it was an extremely good time, but it has now gotten late. I still have to work tomorrow, and we have about a 4-hour drive home. So I'm gonna leave you with that. Big shout out to Billy, Tommy, all the people over at SRC for putting this on, having me, and man, it's so nice to get back to racing some street cars and doing street stuff. It's so much more fun, so much more fun. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the